Hey there, it's me again, back with our Rocklin real estate update. Last week we were talking about a median list price around $769,000. This week the median list price has nudged upward to about $772,500. So that's a slight increase of roughly $3,500. Not huge, but it suggests sellers aren't rushing to cut prices right now. The median price of new listings looks like it slid from roughly $729,000 last week to about $707,000 this week. That's a drop of more than $20,000, which implies sellers of newly listed homes may be testing slightly lower entry points. Per square foot pricing in our last check sat at around $324. It's now roughly $331 per square foot, so there's been a modest uptick. Buyers are paying a bit more for each square foot, even as new listing prices are dipping. Average days on market ticked down a tad, from 63 days last week to 61 days now. Homes are moving a bit faster. That could signal growing buyer interest or a few more competitively priced listings. Overall, the market feels balanced. List prices inching up, but new listings coming in a bit lower. Homes are selling just a hair faster. Fewer sellers are slashing prices, which may reflect steadier demand. If you're buying, the drop in new listing price could mean more negotiating room on fresh inventory. If you're selling, the higher per square foot number suggests quality or location still command a premium even as overall price trends flatten. I'll keep tracking these numbers so we can see whether this slight shift, higher list prices but lower new listing prices, turns into a bigger trend next week. About 40% of listings had seen price drops last week. This week, the figure for sellers who have dropped their prices looks closer to 34%. So there's a slight decline in price cuts, suggesting maybe sellers are holding firmer on price. Active inventory was around 109 homes last week. I couldn't find a reliable update for this week, but the current commentary from local realtors still describes inventory as tight, so it's probably near that level. Median rents were about $2,973 last week, and rental data hasn't shifted much, so it seems stable for now.